Open Ducalis settings and navigate the All Voting Boards section. Scroll down to locate the Discord bot integration. Click on the Connect button to initiate the integration process. You will be prompted to accept the integration allowance. Once received, choose Add to Server and select the Discord server from which you wish to gather feedback. With the integration set up, you can now effortlessly create ideas in Ducalis directly from Discord. Click on the three dots button next to any message. Navigate to the Apps section and select Create Idea. A preview of the idea will appear, allowing you to review the content. You can edit the destination Ducalis board to ensure the message is sent to the appropriate location. Once you confirm the details, the idea will be created and seamlessly transferred to your designated Ducalis voting board. From there, you can efficiently manage, prioritize, and act on the feedback captured within the Ducalis platform.